Okay, we're going to try to do a video here of our truck. I haven't done this before, so bear with me. I thought the best place to start was from the front. That's what everybody sees coming at them from in the rear view mirror. It's a 2003 Peterbilt 387. It has been customized, shortened. The dual rear axles have been taken off and been replaced with a single axle from a in-town delivery type truck, so it's a lot heavier duty. It will take the full power of the engine, as opposed to people that just single out their trucks by taking one axle off, which is kind of scary. Okay, I'm getting some reflection or flare from the sun here, so it is what it is. Okay, pardon me while I walk behind a tree. Limited space. Okay, and this bed in the back is all 1/4-inch steel plate on the sides and the top. The rear plate, as I'll swing around here so you can see it, hopefully. That rear plate with the taillights and everything are, which is beveled at the two sides so you can make tight swings, is 1/2-inch steel plate. In case I ever got rear-ended, I wanted to make sure I was going to win. There's two, one on each side, 2x2x2 storage containers, storage boxes, which are lockable. And there's 4 2x2x4 boxes on top, all lockable. And then on the both sides, behind that sign that says RV private coach, there are 2 water tanks, 150 gallons on both either side. So the plan was so we would be able to have lots of water for dry camping. Horse trailer people would be a lot of extra water if you need it. It's actually, there's a demand driven, I guess that's what they call it, pump inside of that storage unit. So you hook it up to your trailer or whatever with a hose, and on demand it'll turn on and off. Oh, the hitch, the air ride hitch right there, if you can get close enough. It's a trail saver. If I'm not mistaken, it's 33,000 pound rating. In the back here is a 7,500 watt diesel generator. It's an Onan, what they call a diesel quiet series. It is very quiet, surprisingly. And we have a receptacle here for the 120 volt, and there's several inside the cab also. The bed's coated with like a bed liner, like a pickup truck bed liner material, so it gives you some grip when you're out there when it's wet, so you don't slide off, plus it protects it. Okay, I'm going to walk around to the other side, show you that, then hopefully go inside. Okay, here's kind of where we started when we walked down the driver's side. I'm going to come around this way. The mirrors on this are power and electrically heated. I don't know how common that is on trucks. Thought I'd mention it. Back up a little bit here. The wheels are all Alcoa aluminum. They're new as of 2006. The tires are all within a few years, as I recall, of being new. I dodge another tree over here and back up and get the view from this side. And I'm going to try to get inside now without breaking my neck. Okay, this is the passenger side. They're both air ride seats. They're new as of 2006. So we actually used this truck about 7 years full time. We did 1 year on the road full time with our fifth wheel, way back there as you can see it, and then got talked to going back to work, and then we did 6 or 7 more years, ending this year 2020. And so everything is pretty good shape. Seats are perfect. Okay, it's the standard rubber, whatever you call it, the corrugated rubber, easy cleanup. Okay, let me try to get up here. It's gonna be tough. I can't see where I'm going. Okay, so swing around. We have the curtains behind, so you can close off the bed part of it. Also the curtains here that swing around to the front to close off the windshield. You can see maybe on the other side a little bit better, the 2 different curtains. Okay, it's a long, tall sleeper is what they call it. There is storage up above, which you probably can't see. Turn on the flash and see if it works. Flash on, it says. Okay, we'll give it a try. Okay. Okay, it is, I wasn't intended to show you that, but speakers or surround sound, what I'm going to call it. Get my bearings here. The dash, well, it's not going to show up real well. The air pressure gauge for the rear hitch. There's the control to start and stop the generator, an hour clock, and the gauge package. It does have a Meritor Freedomline automatic transmission. It's 12-speed automatic, and this transmission's awesome. It really is. It's smarter than most people when it comes to shifting. Let's see what else. Let's see, you'll see the stuff coming up through the dash for the CB that was there when it was a long over-the-road truck. I bought it used in 2006. Okay, as we swing around here, hopefully we can see. It's a new refrigerator as of 2006. Storage below. I've got 2 fuel filters and oil filters, fire extinguisher, and a whisk broom that goes with it. Obviously, I have no use for any of them afterwards. On this side, as we make our way back, there's the overhead. I don't know if I'm going too fast or not. That black thing is the latch for when this bed gets flipped up and locked. The bottom bunk has a new mattress as of 2006. Well, it's still new. It's still in the plastic. Never used. We use it for storage. Okay. This is the closet. Guess that's kind of obvious. Space for a television up above, wired, 120 volt and 12 volt coming up through there, and out back out through the front. It's been a real good truck for us, super reliable. I've had no problems with it. We're just getting too old to stay on the road full time. Goodbye.